Juice is always worth the squeeze, my guy.
All right, so what is going on here, John?
All right, so this is a V6 Mustang, or was a V6 Mustang, and then this is the beer can Mustang. But notice no more beer can fender. So we did like a frame and floor and rear quarter panel replacement, which requires taking every fucking nut and bolt off the car. So it's kind of been a long journey.
So they did a whole chassis swap because that old chassis was junk.
It
was mangled.
I'm not calling it junk. That's a Titan, bro. That car's a Titan. That car's a legend. But like, it's time for it to go away because I want a fresh fucking car.
Well, and it wasn't worth putting the body work into it to you know.
I mean the V6 car cost $300.
Yeah, so you got a $300 shell, swapping everything over, including all the harnesses, the dash. I mean,
interior.
You got
carpet,
your seats
underneath the carpet's the chassis harness. So the chassis harnesses are different. The floors are different. The fuel tank's different. The brake lines are different because this car has ABS and the V6 car doesn't.
Dang.
Like this car has sway bars. This car has jacking rails. This car has bracing in the car that the other car didn't come with. It's got a different rear axle. It's got a different trans. It's got a different motor. It's got a different subframe. It's got different arms. The brake lines are actually different everywhere. And then there was some year differences in the charcoal canister stuff, so we have to make the 09 charcoal canister fit in my trunk because my car's too low. So I smash everything.
Where is that located in the rear? Is it behind the tire?
It's under the spare tire carrier, under the car.
Oh,
so
yeah,
it's
that's right.
like in the worst spot. It's got a skid plate, but you can see the V6 car's all broken open. And the other car is all dirty. So we're gonna cut holes in the bottom of the floor there and put it where my spare tire used to be. So that way I can go lower in the rear because I want to go dumb low in the rear. You already can't get a jack underneath the car now. So
Yeah.
it's pretty safe.
Yeah,
You have to take
it was
your
low
trans with you,
before.
You know your car's legit. Like, but yeah, I mean, like, and everything. This car was completely. I mean, you can see the photos. It was a bare shell. So.
Doing a bit of a wire tuck here. Gonna run the harnesses inside so that they don't get caught up and destroyed.
Yeah, I do that on both sides. I'm tired. We want to turn the music back on, so I'm gonna say goodbye.